best swing
Oh,
ever.
honey, come this way.
Whee!
We were in this jungle over here, and we found the best
Perfect swing.
best
Coming.
best swing ever. It's a vine. It's a swing on a vine.
This is not clickbait.
Hashtag not clickbait. Best swing ever. Better than the ones that people make. Just use a vine.
Woo!
Show Valinko how high it is.
All the way up there. It goes over there.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
How about Ruby takes a turn?
Oh wait, push me.
One more time.
Bam.
Woo!
Jeez.
Okay, your turn.
Mud. Mud.
Who's eating wood sorrel?
Yep, wood sorrel.
I'm
One of the other videos she made. Anyway,
Holding on?
hold,
yeah.
hold on tight. There's some vines on the floor. Let's not worry about that. The video is this. This is what the video's about.
I found this really fun thing while you waited.
Cool.
You stand on it, but it's really hard. Harder.
What?
Harder?
Come on, go. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast.
Come on.
Woo.
What about this vine? Does this vine work?
It does not work. Anyway, the main focus of this video is to show this vine. Swing, whatever you like to call it. We could call it swing, but yeah, it's really good. It doesn't work. Anyway, I want to take a turn.
Huh?
I want to take a turn.
Can I try?
William is gonna.
Someone might need to hold the camera.
I'll hold it.
No,
Come on.
But do you know how to go up?
yes I do.
Mom, you holding it good? Mom,
Yeah.
can I hold it?
Just a moment, okay?
No, you're not gonna be able to hold the camera. Why? Because I said so. This one works.
Anyway, that was bad.
This is really strong.
It is very.
Whoa!
Somehow is very durable.
It's just the
Tyler, can you push me?
Yes.
Oh, Tyler, no. Tyler, you okay?
What happened?
Hey. Tyler, yeah, I accidentally hit Tyler's head.
Ow, that hurt. Sorry.
Did it mean
It's
to?
very squeaky.
Yep. It's very durable and it works.
It works perfectly like the swing you would buy.
Just more natural.
Way more natural.
I bought her.
I wonder how this thing works.
We even have lemons there.
My turn.
Yeah, there's a bunch of lemons in this forest.
Lemons.
And if you hear that noise over there, that's just because this forest is at the side of a road. Unfortunately. Anyway,
And there is orange juice.
Mom, can I get that on?
And where is wood sorrel? Do we have wood
I'll hold
sorrel?
the kid. The wood sorrel's back there. Oh, it zoomed in. The wood sorrel's kind of back there a little bit.
Tangerines.
Tangerines over there.
Come on.
We picked most. I don't know if you can see it, but we picked most of them. But you could see a teensy bit of tangerines right there that we haven't picked because we couldn't reach. Well, we could, but you know they were just really hard to get to, so we couldn't get it. Oh, by the way, I just found some wood sorrel. Wait, where's the wood sorrel? Here. Mom, I just found some wood sorrel.
Okay, good. This is what's on.
Might as well just, there's dirt.
Whee, come on.
Oh, Tyler, you gotta break it. Don't do that. I'm eating the wood sorrel right now.
This is not clickbait whatsoever.
Yep. That's gonna be it for this video. Everyone say bye.